fruitful, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, but in his law that he meditates day and night, that he shall be like a tree. Wait, the rivers of waters that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, but whoever he doeth shall prosper. In the ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind driveth away. Therefore, in the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the seat of, nor sinners in the vision of the righteous. But the way of the righteous, but the way of the ungodly shall perish.
Amen. Buong Psalm 1 po yun. 5 verses.
Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. Thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Sa